Hey guys, in this video we are going to see how to download and install JDK in any Windows operating system. If you are new to the channel, subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get instant updates. But before going in, JDK is a Java development kit which is developed by Sun Microsystem and later acquired by Oracle in January 2010. First, we need to download JDK, and for that, let's open any browser and search for JDK. For that, I am using Google Chrome. And now click on first link to open Oracle's official website. Over here, click on download button. Now we are going to download JDK version 11. Now accept license agreement. Right here, there are two formats available for Windows operating system, which is one is installation file and the other is zip file. We are going to see how to install both formats. I already downloaded the files, actually both the files right here. At first, we are going to see how to install installation file. For that, double click the installation file. Yeah, we are good to go. Now click next. Over here you can change the installation directory, but I suggest you not to change that. It's safe, right? Everything's good. Now click on next. Now wait for the installation to complete. Yeah, installation is done. Now close this installation wizard. Now you have successfully installed JDK in your machine. But yeah, I'll get back to you. For those who installed zip file, this is how you are going to do. Now open the zip file. Now follow me. Open local disk C and head over to program files. You can't find a folder named Java, just create one. Hit the administrator permission. Now enter into that folder. Here you need to paste the folder which is inside the zip file. Simple, right? I hope so. That's it. You have successfully installed JDK using zip file. Now we are not done yet. Now open local disk C, program files. Basically I am directing you to the installation directory. Now open this particular folder which is JDK, and inside that open bin folder. Now just copy this location. Now right click this PC and go to properties, and inside properties just click advanced system settings. This is what we want. Now click environment variables. Over here, if there is nothing called path, you just need to create new, and you need to have path name here, and you need to paste the directory location over here and click OK. But I already have this path over here, so I'm going to edit that and click new and paste copied path. Yeah, you can see that I already did that, so I'm not going to do that again. Now you need to do the same inside system variables. Edit, new, paste, boom, that's it. Okay, click OK. We are good to go. How to check if Java is successfully installed in your machine or not? Just open command prompt and type Java C space hyphen version. You can see that it displays the Java version. If there is any problem in your installation, then just comment the problem in the comment box down below. In case if you want to download JDK with a single click, just click the link in the description down below. If you know any cool facts about Java or JDK, comment them down below. Thank you for watching. Give us a thumbs up if you think this video worth watching, or thumbs down if not. See you next video. Bye. Take care.